Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update links in a sent email within Marketing Cloud. So once you're logged into Marketing Cloud, let's navigate to Emails, select the Sends tab, and from here we can select the email you want to modify. Under the tracking menu, select the job links. Here you will see a list of links in your email. Find the link you want to update and click on the URL ID. You can now edit the URL as well as the URL parameters. Let's go ahead and make the changes. Once you're done, click on Save to apply these changes. And that link has been successfully changed. Remember, this will only update the links for the specific email job you have selected, and the original email content remains unchanged. Thanks for watching.